I'm Steph Diaz. I'm the art director of FSEO Media.
I'm Emma Bazilian, and I'm the content director at FSCO Media, and we are the authors of the new book, Charm School.
We are going to take a little quiz to see how well we know each other. I think this was one of our favorite parts of this process, just picking patterns and figuring out which ones we both liked. And I think we agreed a lot on the patterns.
I know that you were especially obsessed with Le Citron, though.
Oh yeah, it's obsessed with it. It is. It was the first chapter that we presented to Dara when we mocked up the book, and it holds a special place in my heart. And I'm obsessed with scallops now. Yeah, we talked about glass dolls a lot because Emma also owned a lot, but she was obsessed with them and wanted to include them in the book, and I didn't want to.
My grandmother collected antique dolls, so I don't find having a bunch of antique dolls staring me in the face while I'm sleeping creepy at all.
I do. Yeah. Whoa. I know you don't like to entertain.
Well, you know, I just don't like people sitting on my things and touching them.
And I love designing place cards. I love picking linen. It's so fun. Candles, flowers.
I like a dinner party at someone else's house. That I can definitely pull together. Mm-hmm. It's my home for me. And I guess my husband who lives there as well.
Fun fact, when we first pitched this idea to Dara, Emma spent some time illustrating some skirts.
Yeah, I wanted to have a whole page on things you could skirt, so I did a skirted
ping pong table.
A skirted ping pong table, a skirted treadmill,
yes.
I think I skirted a pickup truck.
No, but that would have been fun.
Anything can be skirted.
Yeah.
You could just feel the electricity in the air. I mean, despite the late nights and the exploding power adapters, I'd say we had a pretty good time.
We had a really great time, and we've gotten to know each other, our personalities, and I think we balance each other out.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Did I know this at one point?
Have it written down.
Boats?
No, shields.
Oh.
Is there a neither? Sorry, please cut that. I don't get the recognition I deserve.
Emma really tries, and she does a good job, but I've been doing this for
just because she's
years.
Officially trained in it and went to school for it and is a master of it doesn't, I think, mean that she's better.